So what is thermal diffusivity? What are the units of thermal diffusivity? Let's understand the physics and real physical significance of the thermal diffusivity. So our topic would be thermal diffusivity. So it is represented using the symbol alpha. And alpha was defined as K upon rho Cp when we were deriving the equation of general heat conduction or heat diffusion, which we derived earlier. This was the final equation. I didn't go into much details in that video also, because the derivation is not that important. It won't be asked in exams. Whenever we are solving problems at that position, we just need this final equation and we need to simplify and solve this. So that's the main aim. So this final equation and that understanding of that equation is more important. So this is the formula for thermal diffusivity. Let's understand the real significance. So K was thermal conductivity and the units were watts upon meter Kelvin. Now the rho has density, rho is density, and its units are kg per meter cube, and Cp is heat capacity at constant volume, and its units are heat capacity, that means it's joules per meter cube. I hope so. Yes. Okay. Now let's put on these things over there, and what will be, we will be left with so we'll be left with okay, this is joules per kg Kelvin. This is wrong, that's why I was confusing. So the heat capacity units are joules per kg Kelvin. That is specific heat capacity at constant pressure. Now let's put these units over here. So what we'll get is watts per meter Kelvin over rho is kg per meter cube, and heat capacity has joules per kg Kelvin. Okay, so the watt will be joules per second. Then I have meter in the denominator, Kelvin in the denominator, this kg in the denominator, this meter cube goes into the numerator, this joules is in the denominator, this kg is in the numerator, this Kelvin is in the numerator. Okay, so now my joules and joules get cancelled, kg and Kelvin gets cancelled, this meter cancels, so I am left with meter square per second. So my unit for alpha is meter square per second. Okay, now let's understand some physical significance. So over here the K was reflecting thermal conductivity, and opposite to it, thermal conductivity means it is not storing heat, the capacity to conduct heat, pass on the heat. Now Cp means the capacity to store heat, that is the storage capacity. That means my alpha value represents two opposite things. It also represents the conduct heat capacity, and it also represents the store heat capacity, storing capacity. Heat conduction capacity, heat storing capacity. So both of those things are taken care when we are defining thermal diffusivity. So that is somewhat more important representation, because it involves two opposite ideas. That's the main significance of it. Thank you.